SQL Car Workshop system includes key features such as automatic linking of car plates. It simplifies managing vehicle and customer data. Service history tracking. This allows quick access to complete service records. Service reminder reports. This feature notifies users of upcoming services. In Sales Document, simply select the car plate number if the customer has previously received service. The system will automatically populate the customer details and vehicle information, such as engine type, model, and etc. Users can access the full history of a vehicle's services by clicking the search button. To search for a specific description such as checking previous quotes for engine oil, just type oil in the description column. The system will display all relevant past records including prices. You can also filter results by date range. After completing a service, input the current service mileage, and next service date. Once saved, these details will be reflected in the Maintain project. When a new customer walks in, click the New Project button to navigate to the Maintain project. Click New to enter all necessary vehicle information, including manufacturer, model, color, and other key details. After creating a new project, click the R button to refresh. The newly created project will instantly appear in the sales invoice. The Service Reminder Reports allows users to monitor which customers are due for their next service. In the Outstanding Sales Invoice listing, select the delivery date to identify clients who need service in the upcoming month. You can also filter by item code to locate specific service items. Users can easily view the next maintenance date and mileage for each customer. Thank you.